Time for another Crimson Desert tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to beat the Reed Devil. So this guy has a couple of phases that you need to go through. The first is pretty easy. The first phase, just keep your shield up and you can block pretty much most of his attacks with your shield. And then he's going to kind of do this teleport thing and move around quickly. And then when he jumps back, you can run in there and get some hits on him. Here we go, block those. And then when he jumps back and lands on the ground, you can get some hits on him, and then you can try to dodge away from his little quick attack when he goes underground. But mostly just keep your shield on him, and he's not going to do a ton of damage. And then when he gets back, he kind of flattens on the ground a little bit, and he stays there for a few seconds where you can get some hits on him. And I'm just using pretty much my strong attack for the most part on this, and then obviously heal when you need to. But mostly this is a shield and heavy attack method to beat this guy. And then after that first phase, he's going to duplicate into a bunch of dudes here. And then, let me skip ahead a little bit. And then you see these little like scarecrow things. You have to go over there and take care of those first before you can attack him. So run around, dodge his attacks, and just go as quickly as you can to these other, to these little scarecrows, because you're not going to be able to do any damage to him. So I'm just going to run over here, get this other one. And I got hit by him. So it's helpful to have pretty good speed, otherwise he's just going to keep getting you. But go ahead and just run over there and heal up, obviously, when necessary. If you're having trouble finding it, on the map there's like the orange little dots. Can you learn that swift stab attack? And now you could do all the damage that you can to him and finish him off. And he should be pretty low on health here. And there we go. Alright, so we got this third phase, and again, just kind of the same deal, just heavy attack, shield, heavy attack, and then just keep pushing him back, and then he'll fall on the ground. You'll have an opportunity to get a couple attacks on him. And just kind of run around, keep your shield on him. And there we go. So that is how you beat the Reed Devil. Hope this was helpful. Let me know. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.